So this is RX or 70 Nitro. I don't know, Nitro Plus, Nitro, I don't know. I just want to show you how does it look when the card is coming from official refurbisher, but that refurbisher is obviously in China. But yeah, official seller. So this is how it looks. So this is refurbished car. Can you see? They haven't touched this. And this, you see this thick dust, that looks like it was used somewhere where there was smoke from cigarettes, lots of smoke from cigarettes. This remind me, yeah, and it was everywhere. Never mind. Just some quick measurement for future. This is actually interesting. This looks like metal plate. Okay. Let's see what resistance we got here, just for future. Can be helpful once I probably fix these things. Okay, so core resistant 0.6, memory 14, 15. This is actually LPDA. Okay, it's quite low LPDA. Okay, so it's nothing here, nothing here. $22 ohms here. Nothing here. Okay. So here we have PCI Express 12 volt. So obviously capacitor. 6.4 kilo ohm. And this is this measurement equipment. Digital multimeter is based on ICL 7106, like 30 years old chip. But I prefer to use this one because it doesn't have automatic. If you got a automatic range changer, that can stop on different range, so you can see different resistance for the same lane or some rail. Okay, so this one is probably so these two, I guess, they are parallel from plus 12. Yeah, I have no clue what is this. Got 10 kilo ohms. Come on, 10 kilo ohms. Yeah, I have no clue what is this. It's probably 5 volt rail maybe. Got 636. Is it the same here? 636. Yeah, it's probably the same. This is probably the same. It's 12 volt from PCI Express load. Yeah. What else can I see? I'm not sure what is this. I thought it's BIOS chip, but that's too big. so it's not gonna be bad. 200 ohms. 200 ohms. Okay. 40 ohms. Memory. This is interesting. It's 33 now. When I measured this before, it was like 14. I don't know. Maybe it's something different. Yeah, and this one has 25Q, so this one looks like a BIOS chip. 200 ohms. So it's probably 1.8 volt. Probably. This one was 10 kilo ohm. No, I was wrong. 10 kilo. This one was 10 kilo ohm, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's the same we saw somewhere here, but not this one. Okay, that's probably all. I can't see anything else what I can. Oh, I can. So I can try this signal. Higher. Yeah, so this one is ground, and this signal is really, yeah, it is ground. These two should be signal, and this is ground as well. I can't measure anything there. Yeah, plus 12, plus 12. Not sure about this one. Can be plus 5. No, it looks like ground. Yeah, so maybe this one is plus 5. Or maybe plus 3, 3.3, I'm not sure. Yeah, 200 ohms, so I think that one was plus 3.3, or maybe plus 5, I don't know, I'm not sure. And this one is last. This one is last important, which is, yeah, this signal. Yeah, so you got 7 kilo ohm. 7 kilo ohm. This should be in the range, like, yeah. They should be the same. All these lines should be the same. Like pairs. It's got 0, and there is pair, and both of them should be 7. No, 7. They both should be like in range in kilo ohms. Ground 7, 7. So if some of them are really like too big or short, it should be problem with communication. Yeah, you can still communicate at a lower speed, but